To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Managing media storage. This is a bit of a boring subject, but massively important. With the ease of being able to take photos and videos, sometimes we forget how much space they actually take up, especially on an iPhone if you only have, say, a 16 gigabyte storage capacity. So what are my options? Well, here are a few. We have the iPhone storage itself, we have PhotoStream, iCloud library, the choice of an external hard drive, or you can use third-party applications such as Zenfolio. So what's the difference and how will they affect you? So the iPhone storage itself. This all depends on the phone's capacity and what you have on it. And that's not just photos and videos. This includes the apps, the emails, the texts. They all have bulky sized file items. So if you have a 256 gig iPhone, for instance, over a 16 gigabyte iPhone, then it's not so much of a problem. But what if you have a small capacity or you just want to be efficient with your storage? It's important to keep the admin and media tidy. This includes photos, videos and songs, which are all extremely large file sizes. So to find out how much storage you have left on your phone, go to Settings, General, and then About. This will show you how much media you have, along with how much storage space is left on the actual iPhone. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.